Do 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 do. Jackie Rose, time capsule poem number 5. Time capsule. I have 16 things in here, but if it's not May 25th, 2025, drop the box. Owner, Jacqueline Jackie Pios Horsefall. Hey, were you in Mr. Godfrey's class in Mason City, Iowa for 5th grade at Harding Elementary in 2004, 2005? Because today is the day we get to open our time capsule. Also, if anyone is still in contact with him, I'd love to send him pictures of me opening the box. Here's me opening the box. Poem number 5, Tornadoes. Tornadoes by Jackie Horsefall. Tornadoes are powerful things. It can occur at any time. Walk down to the basement. No basement? Go down to the cellar. No cellar? Go to a hall with no windows. No hall? Go to your neighbor. Neighbor won't answer? Go to a public place. If you can't and you see a tornado in front of you, you're doomed. Do 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 do.